Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take apart a Glock 19, or any Glock for that matter. It's real simple. First things first, check, make sure the weapon is empty. As you can see, it is. Hold the gun like this. Pull back. Well, first things first, you need to pull the trigger, make sure that the pin's deactivated. And you're going to pull it back about that much, and pull both of these levers down, let it slide forward, it comes right off, just like that. And to disassemble, just pull that out, like so, and your barrel pops right out like that. And clean it, do whatever you need, put it back together. Just put the slide back on there. There's two little grooves. And just line them up like so. Pull back, you hear it click. And that's it. It's that simple, guys. That simple.